Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the 8th science. The first chapter is measurement. In this chapter, we are going to see measurement. Physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. Physics is considered as the base of all science subjects. Physics is based on experimental observations. The principles and observations allow us to develop a deeper understanding of nature. Next, let us see what is a measurement. Measurement is the basis of all scientific studies and experiments. Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantities by using a standard quantities. This question is asking for 2 more questions. What is a measurement? 2 more questions. Okay. Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. That means if you want to measure length of the textbook or length of the chair or length of the classroom, etc. We are using the measuring tape. So by using the tape, what is the unit? Whether it is maybe a meter. So these are the standard quantities. This one is a activities. Students are asked to measure the length and breadth of their science book using a ruler scale and compare their measurement with those of their friends. In this activity, let the length of the book is be 15 meter. The length is the physical quantity. Length is a physical quantity. Ruler is a instrument. Scale is a instrument. 15 is the magnitude and centimeter is the unit. This process is called a measurement. These are the measurement. Next, now we are going to see what are the system of unit. It is important one. So there are 3 system of units are there. First one is FBS system, next CGS system, third one is MKS system. What is the FPS system? FPS system, foot for length, pound for mass and second for time. Foot for length, that means in olden days they are for measuring the length they use for foot. So foot for length, pound for mass and second for time. If the first letter FPS is a FBS system. Next one is CGS system. C means centimeter for measuring length, gram for measuring mass and second for measuring time. So it is called as a CGS system. Third one is MKS system. Meter for length, kilogram is mass and second for time. So these 3 system of units following it is measurement topics. Next, the CGS, MKS and SI units are metric system. Metric means that is followed for measuring purpose only. SI unit means international system of units. FPS is not an metric system. It is a British system of unit. It follows in British system. Next, let us see international system of units. In early days, scientists performed their experiment and regarded their result in their own system. Due to lack of communication, they could not organize others' experimental result, so the scientists planned to follow a uniform system for taking the measurement. As you studied in your lower classes, in 1960, in the 11th General Conference on Weight and Measures at Paris in France, the scientists recognized the need of using standard units for physical quantities. 1916 தான் இதை வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. இது வெயிட்டுக்கும் அண்டும் மெஷருக்கும் உள்ள இதை மெஷர் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சி தான் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் யூனிட்ஸை வந்து கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. அட் இஸ் ப்ராபப்ளி நோன் அஸ் ஏ எஸ்ஐ சிஸ்டம். Okay, the scientists choose 7 physical quantities as base quantities. Physical quantities that is otherwise called as base quantities and defined as a standard unit to measure each one. These base quantities are called as a fundamental units. These 7 is a fundamental units. Okay, base quantities and units. 7 base quantities are given there: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. This one is units and symbols. Okay, first let us see length. Length unit is meter, symbol is m, small m. Next, mass unit kilogram, symbol kg. Time unit second, symbol s. Temperature unit Kelvin, symbol K, capital K. Electric current unit ampere, symbol capital A. Capital A because there is rules for writing the symbols, that is why do not use small a. You will write capital A. Next, electric current ampere, capital A. Amount of substance mole, symbol MOL. Unit quantity luminous intensity unit candela, symbol CD. These are also very important one. In this chapter, we are going to discuss except length, mass, time. You have to study it in lower classes. We are going to see last 4 details in this 8th standard. Next, I am going to explain about temperature. You can see that some objects are cold and some are hot. You also know that some objects are hotter than other, while some of them are colder than others. You write in a 2 mark questions. What is a temperature? Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of